Hello students, today I am starting introduction of algae. You all know very well that algae are microbe which grows mostly in aquatic places like scum on the water or in that region where flowing waters are present. When you will see its characteristic, you will find what is its characteristics? It is actually chlorophyllous. Chlorophyllous plant-like structure. Plant-like structure. Its structure is chlorophyllous plant-like. Why it is chlorophyllous? Because it contains plant. Why it is called plant-like? Because its body has no true stem, leaf or root. Its body is thallus. Its body is thallus, and thallus body have no root, stem or leaf. When you will see its habitat, you will find it lives on, or it is mostly present in aquatic places. All the aquatic places. It may be ponds, rivers, ditches, or in that places which is aquatic. That means where water is continuously flowing or water is kept for longer duration, like in your bucket, in your washroom. It can also be grow. Now come to some its example. Some examples are Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, diatoms, etc. When you will see diagram of someone, you can also you can see Spirogyra may be such type of structure. That means it is multicellular, each cell having spiral chloroplast. Each cell having spiral chloroplast, and this spiral chloroplast are maintain its shape by cytoplasmic strain. Due to the presence of this spiral chloroplast, its name is given Spirogyra. Now come to another microbial group, and that group is called Protozoa. When you will see habitat of Protozoa, you will find it mostly lives in aquatic places. When you will see other characteristics of Protozoa, you will find its body is unicellular, eukaryotic, that means having nucleus, true nucleus. Eukaryotic, that means having nucleus. Its cell resembles to plants and animals. That's why mostly by plant. That's why it is also called first animal. Protozoa is also called first animal of this earth. Now after that, when you will see its example, amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium, leishmania, etc. You can see diagram of at least two members. Suppose that amoeba having nucleus, paramecium, its body is slipper sole shaped and it also contains nucleus. That means this is amoeba, this is paramecium. Both having nucleus. That's why it is unicellular body, but eukaryotes, first animal of this earth. Now we will proceed in next class. Introduction part of microbe is finished. Thank you.